In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop your important emails from going to the junk or spam folder in Outlook. Now, we all know how frustrating it can be when emails that matter end up in the wrong place. It might cause us to miss out on crucial updates or even special offers that we don't want to overlook. Not to worry, by the end of this video, you'll have a firm grasp on how to ensure those critical emails land straight into your inbox where they belong. First things first, let's head over to the Microsoft Outlook page. If you aren't already using Outlook, you'll want to open your browser and navigate to the Outlook website. Once there, look for the Sign In button. Go ahead and give it a click. Now, you'll be at the Sign In page. Here, enter your login details. You'll want to double check that information to ensure everything is correct. After entering your details, click Next to move along. Soon after, you'll be greeted by your Outlook dashboard. Once you're inside your dashboard, you'll notice several features that Outlook offers. Today, our focus is on making sure those valuable emails don't get lost. So let's look towards the top right corner of the page. You should see an icon or a label for settings. Click on that to proceed. Now that you've got the settings open, you'll see a variety of options. The one we're interested in is labeled Mail. Click on that option. From the drop-down that you'll see, look for Junk Email. This section is where you can make adjustments to prevent your important emails from being tagged as spam. You're now in the right place to make these changes. Under the section labeled Safe Senders and Domains, you'll see an option to Add Safe Sender. Here's a chance to enter the email address or domain that you want to make sure isn't sent to the junk folder by accident. Let's say you have a specific email address from which you frequently receive important updates. Go ahead and type it in. Alternatively, if there are certain domains you want to safeguard, you can enter those as well. Once you've entered all the addresses or domains that you'd like to add, confirm your choices by selecting OK. You're almost done. Just one more crucial step. Remember to hit Save to make sure all these adjustments are applied. This simple action guarantees those emails will now bypass the spam filter and land right in your inbox, saving you the hassle of hunting for them in the junk folder. I hope this guide helped illuminate how to keep your inbox organized and stress-free. By tweaking these settings, you're ensuring that all important communications reach you effectively. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.